Right, so I'm going to do some Damson Gin. And this isn't going to be easy, but they're my damsons, not looking particularly happy. Right, this has had hot water in, so let's tip that out. And all I'm going to do is just wash one, drop it in, just give it a squeeze just so that let's get that one back out. Damage the skin so that it can soak up the gin. Look at all of this. Some of them look a bit yuck, don't they? You know what, I'll have the inside out of that. Some of the skins can look horrible. Anyhow, I'll carry on with this and then we'll do. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This is going to be great. So these are really ripe. I picked them and then they've sat for a couple of days just while I was getting a bottle of gin. And there you go. Wow, they're peeling really easy. Look at that. This is great. Right, back in a sec. Right, there you go. They're all in there. So let's put that there. I've got some dark brown sugar. Let's get some scissors, drop that in there. Right, here we go. And you know what? Just about all of the sugar's going in. It's 500 gram. I'll save 100 gram for me. That's probably about it. Right, that's it. Just take the bottle off the gin. There you go. Yeah, I've done it before. That's it. That is Damson Gin. And all I've got to do is stir it every day. And there you go. Ta-da! Damson Gin done. Thanks for watching.